Yo, there's no others, only brothers and sisters and mothers. There's no others, only fathers and friends and daughters. No enemy, plot your demise. There is only fear that we allow to divide our hearts and our minds until we defy hard. Very souls as our humanity's denied. Are you a coward deep down inside, full of terror that keeps you up at night? Or you a warrior led astray at times? Do you stand with love or fear? Cause it's time to decide. We have gone too far to go back now. We will find the truth beneath this hollow ground. And if the heavens should open up, we pray that love rains down on us. Yeah. See, I used to be insecure and full of anxiety till I realized all life is fear was the problem. So I waged war dancing, climbers leading the unknown. With each battle won, I'm one step closer home.